Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to create your plots faster. In order to continue with this tutorial, you must already have basic knowledge of Signum mining. The only thing that I expect from you is just to have watched the mining tutorial video we made. You will find the link on the description below. So let's begin. We are going to download and use a tool called TurboPlotter. This tool allows us to create plots using our CPU or GPU. It is available on Windows, Linux, and Mac. I will pick Windows because I am using Windows as an operating system. The file is downloaded as a zip file, so you need to uncompress the file and open TurboPlotter. It will ask if we have existing plots. If you do have existing plots, click yes and pick the plot you have already created. I will click no because this is a video tutorial for beginners. It will ask us to enter the address or account ID of your account. If this dialog on your computer, you will need to click yes in order to have a seamless GPU plotting. Once you click yes, you will also need to restart your computer. This is the initial interface of TurboPlotter. So let's create our plots with our GPU. The processor section you can notice if you want to use your CPU or your GPU. Let's click on the GPU. The SSD path section refers to where you want to store temporary files of the plotting process. This is required because the GPU can create plots fast and it needs a fast storage drive to store plots in creation. The target disk path section refers to where you want to store your created plots. If you want to change how much gigabytes in plots you want to use, just click on the Fill button. Once you assign the gigabyte of your preference, just click on the button OK. Keep the Start Nonce option on automatic. You can assign the maximum file size of each plot, click on the button Max File Size. Once you assign the new max file size, just click on the button OK. You can assign how much RAM is going to be used for plotting, click on the button RAM to use. Once you assign the RAM usage, just click on the button OK. In this example, you will notice that based on my plotting options, the plots are going to be created the following way. Once you finish choosing the respective plotting options, you have to click on the Start Plotting button. Please you need to wait until the process finishes. TurboPlotter will let you know once the plotting process is finished. You can generate as many plots as you like. That's all. We finally finished this video tutorial. You see how simple it was to create plots using our GPU or CPU. Welcome to the Signum network. Thanks so much for watching this video. Please remember to like the video and subscribe to our channel. You can join the community and hang with us on Discord, Telegram or Reddit. I hope I'll see you next time.